Hi friends, welcome to our DIY field day. This is station 3 cup stacking. So I just have a pack of red Solo cups. I've split them up, and Yusuf found a timer from one of his games. He's going to use that. You can use a timer on a phone, or you can sing a song, or you don't have to use a timer at all. And we're going to see who can stack the tallest and the fastest after I say go. So go! And if it's a little windy outside, the wind could present a bit of a challenge. The timer is running down. Again, you can use the timer, you don't have to. If you don't have a timer and you want to time it, you can sing a song or play a song, or you can use the timer on your phone. Oh, looks like we got some cups stuck together, creating a challenge. Wow, that is a tall tower. All right. Oh, there we go. The wind knocked them down. And looks like Ryan has just decided to play with the cups. And Yusuf is trying to rebuild his as they have fell down. Still got like a little tiny bit of time left on the timer here. And time is up. And it looks like Yusuf has won. That last cup did not count. And then after you stack them, you can unstack them. And make sure you clean up all of your DIY field day supplies when you are finished. So we're cleaning up field day station 3, and we're going to move on to station 4, which is the DIY obstacle course.